Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we're gonna do this 2002 Hyundai Elantra. So we will be replacing the radiator because there's a leak. As you can see in here, it's leaking so bad. So we're gonna replace the radiator. And by the way, I haven't make videos for last couple of weeks because of the snow. Look at the snow. But now, no more snow. It's not snowing, I should say. So we can do some cars. Actually, I got a couple of cars in here. CRV and another here. Civic. This one, Hyundai Elantra. So let's do this first. Alright, so the very first thing that we need to do is drain the coolant. So the drain plug for this car is on the driver's side. So if you go here, right there, see that? The thing. So I'm gonna unscrew that right there. There you go. Oops. Alright. Push it. There's the coolant. Open this so it will drain way faster. Look at that. Look at that. Nice one. That's the first step. Drain the coolant. Alright, so now I can start removing some coolant hose. Okay, it's not that bad. Let's put it here. This one. Over here. Okay. And this one. Perfect. Alright, and also there's some connection in here. This for your radiator fan. Nice. Alright, let's remove the radiator fan. So there's like, I think 1, 2, 3. Let's see. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. All right. It's very simple. Put it in here. All this. Oh yeah, nice. So there's 3 bolts. Oh, that was fast. Perfect. So there's also one hose over there. Transmission hose that we need to remove. And I think that's it. You can remove this, radiator. Right, so let's remove first this. Let's see it. Alright. Okay. need a pry bar. Okay. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay. Next one. Transmission. Cooler. Transmission hose. Some of this. Okay. So we just basically just use vice grip, pry bar. Then okay. Nice. Next one is this. Okay. So again, basically I only use vice grip, vice grip, Phillips screw, and pry bar. Okay. It's a little bit stuck. Okay, got it. Wow, that was fast. That's it. Okay, it seems like everything is removed except, of course, this bolts on the top. So I think only this in this. Let's see, let's remove it. Just remove this bracket on the top. So this is number 12. Don't forget the rubber. Let's see. Okay. I think we need to remove this too. Bracket. Okay. Wow, easy. Done. Hold on. Look at this. They only try to put some, what's this? Sealant. Did it work? Alright, so this is the new radiator. New one. Let's put it on. Alright. Perfect. Alright, so I already put on the bracket for the radiator. So basically we're just gonna put on the hoses right there. So I'm not gonna show you that anymore. Even this too, because you just put it on there. There's a hole over there that hold this thing right there, and that's pretty much it. So again, I'm not gonna show you anymore how to, you know, put all the hoses, because it's just the reverse order, and also the radiator fan. Just gonna show you when it's done. Put the coolant, and then let's start the car, bleed it. Okay, so everything is installed. It's in here. I'm already bleeding it. So far, no leak. Okay. Let's put some of this to catch any leak, but so far, no leak. Nothing. It's perfect. Put this on. Nice. Alright. So, there you go. That's how you replace the radiator for 2002 Hyundai Elantra. So, if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.